So guys, I got my granny here. She's coming to do a little one-on-one makeup glam session. She done asked for a wine glass and some ice so she could pour herself some wine. But we about to have a good little time and some girls time. It's been a minute, but she wanted to get her makeup done. So, you know, we're gonna spend this time together and have a good little time. You guys get to be a part of it.
Before picture?
What? Oh, you want me to take a camera or my phone?
Whichever, don't matter.
Okay, look at me.
Okay.
Well, look at the camera.
Okay. Okay, well, I was looking at you.
I know. I'm at the camera.
Oh, you done took it?
Yeah, I took a few.
Okay, that's cool.
You like those better?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's an eyeliner.
This new one?
I mean, all of them.
I know, but I'm just making sure
they're the same color.
that's not the same. That's the same.
I got a brown and I got a black.
Well, we'll probably go with the brown.
Okay.
If we wanting to do something every
Dark
day.
brown. This is a mascara.
Okay, we need that. But you got mascara already out.
But this one is kind of like a clear thing. I don't know if that puts it primes your before you put that on.
Is it a lash primer or it just says? No, this is black.
Okay.
Put that back in here.
You just drop it in there. I think these are some lip shades, but I want something kind of, you know how you do a two-tone lip shade. So, but mine are all dark, so you might have to use yours.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because this is.
Well, you can do a two-tone with the lipsticks, or if you want something lighter than that. You want like a
well,
lighter,
I want a lighter
color.
center. I want a lighter center. This
well, you have this too.
But would it go with anything?
You would just use a different lip liner. You would use a darker lip liner with your lighter lip color to do the two-tone.
Okay, well, and then I got these
this
little
lip
things.
Too.
These little things there.
Okay. Yeah, and you
think this is a. I think this is a concealer. This is a concealer right there.
Yeah. This is your clear gel.
Okay, I knew it was something like. Okay.
These lips too.
I don't know if their lips are shadows.
These are lip glosses.
Okay, so I don't know if you can do two-tone with that or not.
You can.
I just brought.
We'll put those right there. I'm grouping it so you can take a picture and
remember.
Yeah, your order. Do you have powder and stuff? Are you gonna plan to get some stuff like that?
I can.
Cause you're gonna have to in order to start doing a different routine.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a piece of paper.
What kind of mirror is this?
It's a vanity mirror. Takea got it for me for Christmas one year.
Well, I'm just saying it's got programs.
Yeah.
You don't tell me what kind of you're using on me.
Well, yeah.
And so I know if I need to go with what I have or.
Well, some of the stuff you don't have at all. You just said that.
Right. Just what I have.
That's why I got the pen and paper.
Okay. I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna eat my.
I was gonna say, you're supposed to be sitting here enjoying your time and you telling me how to do my job.
No, I ain't. I'm not trying to. But you gotta understand from a cosmetology point.
What you mean, Granny? I've been licensed for 6 years.
I know, and I've been licensed for.
And you this is your time to sit here and enjoy getting your makeup done.
Yeah, I agree. I ain't complaining.
You grabbed them. Well, I guess whatever brings you joy, Granny.
It does.
Okay. So now that your face is primed, so I work on eyebrows first, and then I do eyes, and then I do face, and then lips. Okay?
I think that's the side I cut.
Your eyebrows?
Well, I had a cut, and then the hair never grew back in that cut.
You got a little random long
it should be a scar where it is. I like that. I like that. It looks natural, and it covered up those spots. I like that.
Alright, now that your brows is done, you want to work on eyes. Okay.
Okay.
So you see what I mean? All right. Now, do you want to do eyeshadow, or are you wanting to just focus on face?
Let's focus on face.
Okay. It should be okay. You just don't want to dull your skin, but you also don't want it to look too dark to where you look nude.
Like yeah, okay.
You know, like you don't have any depth or dimension. Yeah, you want something a little bit more golden. This is red.
Is it?
Compared to your complexion.
But I know I would like that makeup that I had on the picture with the picture we took. We went somewhere, me, you, and Sharonda, and I look orange. But so when it's orange, it has too much red in it.
Well, if it's orange, like it depends on the base.
I'm talking about this right now.
The foundation or your foundation color. I mean, your skin tone or your foundation color?
Whatever blends with my skin tone, because it made it.
You need a foundation that has more yellow in it, not orange. Orange and red are very close in color, but it depends on how. I can't say for sure if it was too red or if it was too.
Oh, I looked orange in the picture. It didn't look like it when I was doing the makeup.
But your foundation could have, like the foundation itself could have been more red because your skin is yellow. Does that make sense? Okay,
I need to do foundation for a yellow skin.
Yeah, you need something more neutral or more golden, but not orange.
Neutral or golden.
Because orange is more tan.
Okay, and see, this makeup, we'll see.
It's a little dark, but I'm gonna make it work.
But it's dark, but is it?
It's what?
It's not yellow.
It's not yellow. You need yellow.
Okay. So this one is.
But if you use this one, you just have to use other yellow products.
Okay, gotcha.
So.
Okay.
What do you think? Now, what you need to do is either use a lighter foundation or you can use a concealer. It don't matter. But for less coverage purposes around the wrinkles in the eye area, I would use a foundation or a very light coverage concealer. Yes, because if you use something heavy, it's gonna draw more attention to the eyes and settle into the lines. I use a brush like this for concealer for women.
So you get into the crevices.
Now, and just set the rest of your makeup.
Oh, it reminds me when we were doing makeup in cosmetology class. And my friend was doing mine, we were doing blush. When she got to, I looked like Raggedy Ann. She had one perfectly round circle over here, and it was just the color.
Now with blush, I always focus it on the
upper part of the apple.
I do the closest to the temple, and then I push it forward. I'll take the blush color, the same blush color, and I put it on my lids.
Okay, yeah. I've done that before. I do that with my lipstick. Like, I'll use my lipstick on my lips and use it as my blush, and that way it'll match. That's what I've done before.
So I start on the outside and go in. That way it gives a more of a softer effect.
They said I had long eyelashes.
Now I would just say go ahead and put your mascara on so you can see what it looks like.
Let's see what my eyelashes look like. I'm ready. Okay.
No, look in the mirror.
Oh yeah, I got enough eyelashes. That looks pretty good. I'm 2 shades ago, so I'll have to do that one
and this one. style it a little bit.
I might have to do it like that. Yeah, like that. When you go, can you send a little video?
Yeah, I'm about to, but you gotta look it this way.
I'm gonna look that way when I get ready to, like, bang.
To turn this. I'm not fooling with you.
What did I do? How did it turn out?
It turned out cute.
Oh yeah! I'm gonna send that to my friend Diane too.
Oh my.